Hey YouTube, Batman here, again with another video, with another unboxing video, and today I have something which I have been waiting for a long time, which is the TMC DPAM NVG mount, which has been released only recently, so let's have a look at it. Now I got this mount from AIRSOFT and I ordered it around February, but they just only sent it recently. They were supposed to send it on the 3rd of March, but they had a delay. Okay, and this is what you get more or less in the box. Yeah, let's open it up. Now the DPAM abbreviation stands for dual powered aviation mount. Dual powered ability I'll talk about in a moment, but first let's have a look at the markings. Wilcox markings over here, over here. Of course you can adjust the height, yeah, like that. You've got your wire, your cable, which also has cool markings in my opinion, as you can see probably over here. Yeah. And the plug itself is metal, which is a good thing. Let me just plug that thing here. And the battery compartment over here also looks pretty solid. It's got a nice texture, yeah, here. Okay, let's just open it up a bit, yeah, to show you. Yeah, as you can see. It will accommodate a real CR 123A battery. Yeah. Now the DPAM, like I said, can be powered from two independent sources. One being the battery compartment, but Wilcox themselves call it a backup power source, whereas the main source comes from the remote battery pack, which is usually mounted at the back of the helmet. Yeah, here you have the not release switch, and here, at least this is what they say, this is the toggle switch. You can toggle between power sources. Yeah, looks like pretty cheap, but well. Now I will be mounting this mount onto my replica fast helmet. Before I purchased the DPAM, I bought the shroud, as you can see. But before I do that, I'd like to show you that you can also mount it on your regular Obscore style shroud. Yeah, so just give me a second. Yeah, okay, there we go. Yeah, now you can see it. It's fairly solid. Yeah, you can, yeah, adjust the height. Yeah. And you can release it. That's fairly easy. Yeah, so this is one way of mounting it. Now, from what I heard, to remove this you have to do something like that. Yeah, let me just check. Okay, and just have to remove it from it somehow. It's not that easy. Okay, here we go. Okay, let me just... Alright, there you go. Wow, I somehow removed it. Wasn't that easy. Okay, so this is for your VAS shroud. Now, this should go onto the helmet itself, yeah, like that. Yeah. Again, it's not going to be... Oh, see, this should be aligned like that. And presto, that's it. So I'll make more photos. I'll maybe record another video, and if you liked the video, please subscribe, like and share. Till next time, see ya, bye bye.